All right, let's talk about how we're going to help you take on these challenges and how you're going to be able to take advantage of AI, machine learning, and analytics within your business unit, within your company. Number one is having a bit of a mind shift. As I've mentioned, what I've seen companies or technical teams do is I've seen them start with data, then they move on to AI and analytics, and then they look to deliver some service, some product to the customer. And what happens with this workflow, as logical as it may seem, is that you oftentimes get things that are not particularly valuable to the end customer. That's because you started with what data you have available. So this tends to not work out too well. A better way to do it is to start with customer value, to be very obsessed with what your customer finds valuable and what's interesting to them, and then work backwards from that vantage point to think about the data that is available, or the investment that you have to make in new data pools and new data sources to help meet that customer value. Then thinking about the AI and analytics that you can leverage or deploy on top of that data to hit that customer value. But the key mindset shift that has to happen here is around starting with the customer value first, and then looking to data, and then looking to analytics, rather than this first workflow that we talked about. I had a question recently from a client around their customers not being as excited about their innovation projects as they would like, and my pushback on that was, well, have you asked the customers what would be interesting to them, what would be valuable to them? Because customers have problems, they have challenges that they want you to solve, and really I think it's about making sure you appreciate that fully, and then working backwards from that and looking at what data you have available, what's aligned with your overall strategic goals, and then leveraging analytics to meet that need. And so this is a big mindset shift that has to happen. And again, starting with the customer and being obsessed with what's going to be valuable to the customer, that is a key jumping off point.